My first attempt at making molds for casting. Gary out from Woody Wood had some old MDF in the garage, so I thought I'd use that. Let's see how we go. Now to fit the inner mold pieces. I should have done this before I put the sides on. Would have been a lot simpler to do. But you live and learn, and next time will be a lot easier. Drilling pilot holes for the inserts makes it much simpler to do. Done. Now the mold's ready to pour. Let's see what happens next. Filled partially with some clear silicone. Now the acid test to see if it comes out. Again, I'll put the screws in for a purpose. I should have taken them out to get these pieces out. So we can see the silicone doesn't stick to the packing tape.